One.
We are now here in Yop Santiago Ancestral House. Yes, Yop Santiago Ancestral House is known to be the oldest Chinese house, not just here in Cebu but outside China. So now, as we can see, the couple, Maria Florido and Don Juan Yap. And this is their family pictures. As we can see, mga kanang karaan na jud kaayo. Then here is the refining dining sets. So, made of porcelain. So, mo ni siya mga antique na ni siya nga mga gamit sa una. So, existing pa siya until now. So, tara sa katataas.
You go.
The stairs is made of wood.
Agaray.
And now we're in the second floor of the house, and as you can see, the antiques, the saints, the baby Jesus. Then, as you observe, the roof made of clay, and the wall is made of stones, and stones with fixing together with egg whites. Then most of the time, kung mga agiri sila, mostly agiri sila dire. So, man nilang kananan, their master's bedroom. So, man nilang master's bedroom, where the family lives in and have some siesta, sleeping. So, this is their mga gamit sa pagluto, just like this one. Ilahang, yes, para si Kwate. This is like their family picture, maybe. Ilang kusina. Ang pinakakaraan niya sudanan sa tubig. So, this is the Yop Santiago Ancestral House. Okay na.